Okay, so 555 timer. The 555 timer, this is the schematic of the internal workings of the 555 timer, showing the capacitor charging up and discharging in an RC time constant with a limit resistor to VCC because of the shorting transistor inside. The discharge on 7 has to have a limit of 1K to VCC. Puts out a square wave. We use a limit resistor and a LED to see that wave. Here it is on the board. VCC 5 volts right there. Oh, my marker is going bad. 8 is power, 1K ohm resistor to 7 for the limit. The RC time constant is right here, 10K, and C1, 1 microfarad will work really well. Electrolytic, 1 microfarad. Okay? This 10K and this 1 microfarad makes the RC time constant for the speed that the 555 will oscillate at. Over here, the output, you need to make sure off of pin 3 that you have a 330 ohm resistor in series with the LED, because the LED is 2.7 volts and the output is 5 volts. Doesn't take much math to figure out that if you subtract 2.7 from 5, you're shorting out the difference, unless you have a limit resistor R2. Again, 2 and 6 are just jumped together. 4 goes to B plus. 5 goes nowhere for now. It is a control lead, but we're not going to deal with it now. All right. So that gives us the 555 timer. That should give you a fairly slow pulse rate. We can actually figure it out. There's an equation for it, but we won't. We'll just put it together and take a look. Now, we can modify this circuit slightly and make it adjustable by simply putting in a wiper here by replacing this with a pot, 10K, with a wiper that's attached right there. What does that mean? That means that the pot itself has 3 leads. The center lead is the wiper, right there, that center lead. If you see it as a schematic form, it will look like a 10K ohm resistor with a lead on each end and a pointer in the center with a lead that's adjustable right here. That would be the wiper. Okay? Right there. This will allow you to change the speed of oscillation up and down. So it won't just run steady. You can change it to different frequencies. You will see, you should see on your scope, a very square wave coming out of your oscillator. And it's a lot squarer than that, but you get the idea. This will be time, and this will be magnitude of the output of the 555 timer.